Yo, welcome back to another video. We got an unboxing video today. Let's get straight into it. First of all, I don't know. Let's get right into it. Wasting no time. Just pick this up today. We're unboxing Louis Vuitton, bro. Turn me up. Now, not gonna tell y'all what it is. Y'all might know there was rumors of it getting discontinued. That's all I'm going to say. But it's not discontinued. Let's get it. So, as usual, we got our receipt. And also, before we get into it, I was in Oak Brook Center. I went to the Gucci store. The Gucci private line fragrances are so good. The Heart of Leo. Banger. I'm telling you, Gucci private line fragrances are so good. So good. So we got this, I'm about to add this to my shelf. Adding this to the shelf. All right. And then, ooh, look at that. And we got 4 samples in this hoe. And I also got, when I went to the Gucci store, we got some Gucci ribbons. We got some Gucci ribbons. 1, 2, 3 Gucci ribbons. We have 4 samples. We got 4 samples. We got a Trap Revs, Imagination, Ombre Nomad, and Ombre Nomad. Those are some S tier samples. And nothing else. Nothing else in the bag. I still don't know where I want to put this, so I'm going to put this right here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get straight into this. Always amazing. Ooh, alright. Louis Vuitton ribbon, of course, twin. I'm excited. I've smelled this a couple times when I went in there. What previous times we've been in there. Oh my God. City of Stars, ladies and gentlemen. City of Stars. Lock in. Gucci ribbons, Louis Vuitton ribbons. Your boy is so locked. All right. This pull thing right here. I'll get close to the camera. Oh, there we go. All right, listen. Oh, that's so nice. It's so nice. All right, hold up. Holy shit. Holy shit. All right. Chill out. Holy shit. City of Stars, Louis Vuitton. Holy shit. All right. I'm scared, bro. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Okay, hold on. All right, lock in. Lock in. I'm like so scared. Oh my God. City of Stars. Look at that bottle. Holy shit. It looks very transparent. Maybe it's because of the lighting. Yes. Maybe it's the lighting, but this is like super, has like a purple tint. Shit is awesome, bro. Oh, anything in the cap? Nothing in the cap. Oh my God, that is so good. That is so good. City of Stars, bro. That is so good. I have to recommend, and I get about 7 hours, 7 plus, 7 minimum hours. Oh my God, that is so good. It's sunscreeny, very fresh. Very fresh, very citrusy. It has like, it's smooth. It's like a smooth fresh. It's not really like a hard, sharp fresh, but it's like a smooth, sunscreeny. Oh, it smells so familiar, but it smells so familiar to something else, but I don't even know. If you're going to an LV store, picking up Imagination, Pacific Chill, any of that shit, smell this, bro. This is so good. And if you're nice to the workers, I'll give you some samples. And they'll even hold the bottle for you. I've held my Louis Vuitton wallet from them, my Louis Vuitton Symphony, Pacific Chill, all held under my name because I'm balling like that. Lock in. This is so good, though. Fresh, sunscreeny, a little kind of, is it musky almost? I don't know. Imagine Hawaii. Imagine like you're on top of a rooftop with an infinity pool and you're just looking over the city. Yes, ma'am, dude. You could wear this camping. Camping over this, like, just not deep in the woods camping. Out in the open camping. Like, literally this. This is literally what it smells like. It's hard to describe, but it's something you gotta smell. This is a life-changing smell. And I sprayed, like, 2 sprays. But it's filled to the top. This is so good. I highly recommend it. Projection, medium projection. Longevity, 7+ hours. 6, because I sprayed it every time I went in there on myself, because it's just so fucking good. Mancera Amour Cafe. Give me that. And MFK Grand Soir. I'm talking other colognes. Highly recommend it, y'all. That's gonna be the video. I mean that's the video. Unboxing. Recommend it. It's so good. I would totally buy Afternoon Swim, but the longevity is straight up cock and dick. So we're not gonna buy it. Recommend this though. Easy recommend. If you're looking for just a nice, simple, not really too complex, easy to like smell. Oh, that's so good. That's the video. I'll catch y'all. I don't know, bro. Probably when I buy Absolute Aventus. I kind of just make videos when I unbox shit now. But that's gonna be it. Later, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next. Peace out.